Alright guys, so today I will be showing you how to massacre this beautiful creature as humanly as possible. Your first step, if it's your first time, you would like to drink one of these first. You know, it'll take your, I don't know, I guess it'll make you feel better. Alright, after you've done that, a few of these, you grab a knife, kitchen knife. Then you want to sharpen it as sharp as possible. Oh yeah. You hear that, buddy? You hear the sound of that? That's the sound of a great supper. Okay. You put this guy back. Lobster's in my way, so I can't really put it properly. Then you want to place the knife right between his head, like his neck. He doesn't really have a neck, but I call this the neck area right here. Oh yeah, he felt that. It's okay, buddy. Don't worry. It'll end soon. Okay? So you're going to place it right here in between this little crack right there. Then you're going to go down and boop. You're going to go like that. Okay? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, and stop moving. Keeps moving, man. Keeps. Stay still. Okay? Don't worry. It's going to end up soon. It's going to end soon. So you're going to go. And then you're going to go.
You just took his skull.
Ah!
Oh my
Ah,
god.
he's looking at me.
Just do it.
Oh, it was creepy.
God.
Oh my god, his brain.
Oh my god.
I can see his brain.
This is not happening.
Oh man. I told you they should have killed it in the supermarket. But no. You do it.
No.
You know how tough this is?
Fast.
I can't. Shit is mad hard.
Oh my god.
Alright. Sorry, buddy.
Ahí entra la carne.
Yeah. Ah, he's still alive! Now what? Damn, he's in pain, babe.
Just keep cutting.
Oh shit!
Oi!
Fuck up.
Oh! This
Oh,
is
fuck.
too much for me.
God damn it.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, you stupid lobster! Why can't you just stay still?
He's fighting for his life.
Well, now he's all fucked up. Now he's suffering because of his fault. Stay still. Oh, man. Why can't we just boil this motherfucker and that's it? He's still alive.
I didn't see his guts come out.
Right. I went right through his eyeball and his eyeball's still there. Oh, man. He's foaming through his mouth now. Damn, that's the worst.
You know, just cut more behind there.
Alright, let's try this one more time. Okay. Damn, I feel bad.
Bad, you already stabbed him.
Yeah, I know, but it's like it didn't go through the middle of his head. It went to the side. Alright, here we go. bitch.
Poor guy. Oh my God. If he's not dead then I don't know.
He pissed himself.
Oh. Be careful that water goes down there.
It went down already.
Here.
It's alright, we'll clean it. Whew. Oh man, this is a once in a lifetime experience.
You have another one.
Alright guys, so yeah, that's the proper way to kill a lobster. Goodbye.